Ang tindig ba ay kasama sa magfa-file ng impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Marcos?
Hindi ko siguro unahan po yung actions ng tindig po. We will announce something when we're ready to announce something. Pero at least speaking personally na in terms of yung impeachment kay President Marcos, again, speaking personally, since I'm not really I can't speak on behalf of Tindig on this matter. I think definitely dapat maimbestigahan yung possible role ni President Marcos sa lahat ng mga corruption issues, both in terms of yung kung ano yung pinahintulutan niya in terms of yung budgets na pinasa niya the last few years, and in terms of yung hindi niya ginagawa. So yung mga hindi natupad na promises as far as big fish being arrested. This is happening kasi hirap talaga sila sa proseso, or is there something more going on? So kung impeachment man yung tamang proseso for investigating this, then I think that's something that we should get behind. No? As far as also on the topic of impeachment, as far as other cases, personally, tingin ko po unfinished business ko as one of the signatories ng impeachment complaint against VP Sara Duterte na dapat rin ma-pursue ito. So I think while we're not announcing anything and we'll announce something when we're ready, definitely tinitingnan po natin yung mga issues na ito.
Well, there was an impeachment complaint filed yesterday, and so this somehow this jumped the gun on the others, meaning they have to now, there's a timeline now involved. So sa tingin mo ba, itong naunang impeachment complaint ay para protektahan ang Pangulo?
I think si Rep. Egay Erice claims po no, na yung isa sa mga naghain ng impeachment complaint ay dating abogado ni First Lady Lisa Marcos. I don't know if that's confirmed, pero kung totoo nga po yun, then I think that calls into question yung motive ng impeachment na ito. Is this being done in the genuine interest of accountability, or ginagawa lang ba ito para ma-trigger yung technicalities ng impeachment? Para makalusot si President Marcos for 1 year. So I'm not sure what to make of that impeachment complaint. Definitely may ilang articles dyan na hindi ako sumasang-ayon. So isa doon yung kung impeachable yung pag-facilitate ng gobyerno dito sa pag-arrest ng Interpol kay President Duterte para madala siya sa INC. That's something I very strongly support. So I don't personally think that is impeachable. Pero kung yung kabuuan ng, in terms of yung kabuuan ng complaint, that's something that kailangan ko pang pag-aralan. But I do question yung motives ng personalities involved dito.